These pancakes are crunchy and soft at the same time. They have several layers and moreover, they contain melting cheese. Here are the ingredients for 5 pancakes. To make the dough, put in a large container 250 grams of wheat flour and half teaspoon of salt. Mix. Add 150 grams of hot water between 50 and 60 degrees Celsius. Combine until absorbed. Sprinkle the work surface just once with a little flour. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. It becomes soft and sticky. The kneading allows the gluten to unfold. The dough will be elastic and stretchable. Divide the dough into 5 balls. Cover them with a dry towel and let sit for 30 minutes. Mince 100 grams of scallions. Mix the white and green pieces. Grate 100 grams of cheddar. This type of cheese is a natural flavor enhancer. It will bring umami to your preparation. The portions of dough rested for 30 minutes. Cover them with olive oil. Also spread a little oil on the work surface. Take a piece of dough. Push the dough from the center outwards. The center refines. Then gradually lift the edges and gently pull on them to spread and thin the dough. Coat the surface with melted butter. Sprinkle with cumin. A little salt, scallion, and cheddar. Cut the dough to help with the folding. Then fold it so that we have many layers. Here 9. Add some butter when the contact is dough against the dough without stuffing. For cooking, spread 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the pan over medium-low heat. Let them cook for 3 minutes. Spread a little oil on the surface. Then flip them over and cook for another 3 minutes. To crisp the surface, flip them over and cook for 2 more minutes each side. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.